Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back. I'm so excited for fall. I just love sweater weather and pumpkin everything. Pumpkins are just so adorable to me. And I just like fall florals, they are so beautiful. So if you're anything like me and you enjoy fall, I hope this video can provide some inspiration for you as you decorate your homes. So you can definitely use the decor you already have at home and just add a fall touch to your stuff. I picked up this pumpkin from Burlington. These candle holders came from Burlington and I thought that they would fit in nicely with my fall theme. I've had this teal vase for many years, but I picked up these fall florals from Hobby Lobby. Both sets of these pumpkins came from Hobby Lobby, and Hobby Lobby is really a one-stop shop. If you need anything as far as decorating for fall, that's one place you can go to probably find everything you'll need. This lighted bundle of sticks came from Kirkland's many years ago, but I felt like it fit in perfectly with my fall theme. And the last thing I added to my entryway table was this candle from Bath & Body Works. It's Autumn Woods. If you haven't smelled Autumn Woods, you need to. These florals and this pumpkin both came from Hobby Lobby. Everything used on my mantle came from Hobby Lobby. I decided to decorate another table in my living space, and I started with this cake stand that I picked up from Hobby Lobby. And I loved this cake stand because it adds just a little bit of height to my decor. I needed a little extra height for my pumpkins. This gold pumpkin came from Burlington, and this leatherette cognac pumpkin came from Hobby Lobby. And I thought they paired well together. These florals came from Hobby Lobby as well. And this vase is a vase I already had, and it came from At Home. That's where I got it. And these pumpkins came from Walmart and Hobby Lobby. And the last touch I added was this candle holder from Hobby Lobby. I picked up these picks from Hobby Lobby, and I don't know if you can tell, but these pumpkins are velvet and they're so beautiful. And this pumpkin also came from Hobby Lobby. So I started with these placemats from Hobby Lobby. I love that rust bronzy looking color that's on them. I love anything with a little shine, I believe. And these gold chargers came from Home Goods. And these glass plates came from Home Goods as well. And these teal napkins came from Amazon, and the napkin rings came from Hobby Lobby. And this beautiful vase came from Hobby Lobby as well. Make sure you get your decor from Hobby Lobby when it's half off. And these floral stems came from Hobby Lobby as well. So I decided to decorate one of my side tables. I just want to give it a little fall touch. So I'm just wiping it clean before I get started. I started with this vase that I've had for a long time. I got it from Ross, and I put some pampas grass in it. And also this candle holder. I've had it for a long time too. It came from Home Goods. And I just added a few pumpkins for the fall theme. And I like how it turned out. It was so simple to do this. I picked up this throw blanket from Home Goods, and I thought it added a nice touch to my accent chair. And this is actually a pillow cover from Amazon. Amazon has the best pillow covers, especially for the price. And I already had this fur accent table, as well as this gold tray. And I'm just adding a pumpkin, a little fall addition to this table. And this pumpkin came from Marshall's. These teal 24-inch pillows came from At Home. And all of the rest of my pillows are actually pillow covers that I purchased from Amazon Amazon again has the best pillow covers. You'll see. So I already had this gold tray on my ottoman. I picked this tray up from at home, and I decided to put a vase from Hobby Lobby in it, and these floors also came from Hobby Lobby. Hobby Lobby is a one-stop shop, like I said. I already had these candle holders, and they came from Ross. And to add a nice little fall touch, I used my coasters for a little added height, and I placed a pumpkin from Walmart on it. Simple. So I hope you stuck it out till the end, and I hope you found some inspiration. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye-bye.